Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix your Facebook video lag? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Facebook. It's most likely because of your internet. So all you need to do is on the bottom right, simply tap on the menu tab and then simply head into settings and privacy. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and head into settings. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for media. And now this is where it all changes. So first things first, your video quality might be on data saver. Turn it to optimized right over there. And now simply go ahead and put autoplay in feed and stories to never. There you go. That is about it. That is going to simply go ahead and fix most of your problems. If it still doesn't, if you're on your Android device, simply go ahead and clear cache. Or if you're on your iOS, simply head into your settings, head into your storage, and then simply scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find Facebook. And then all you need to do is simply tap on offload app, click on offload, and then click on reinstall. Once you do that, it's going to simply go ahead and get rid of cookies and stuff like that, and it should be working fine. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.